MashaAllah. Okay, what happened to the soul when a person passed away and is buried after 4 days? There is no mentioning of the days that what will happen. Immediately after the people they bury the dead body and they move 40 steps away from the person, till that time the person is still hearing our footsteps. This hadith is in Sahih Bukhari. Then after that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala transfers this person into the life of barzakh, and that is the period of staying between the death and the resurrection. That period is called the barzakh, and in that period this person will be, immediately after that, when you move away, the angels, Munkar and Nakir, these are the two angels will appear, and they will, if a person is buried, then normally they will, ask the person, they wake him up or they make him sit, or they, whatever the way they want to question the person, so the question will be started. It could be Muslim, non-Muslim, every person will be the same. If a person is buried here, or if a person is, changed to ashes by, burning in the fire, or anyway, after the soul is transferred from this life to the life of barzakh, the angels start asking the question about three things: about Allah, about Islam, and about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is for all, alhamdulillah. After that, the person who has given the answer, the grave will be expanded for him, window from the Jannah will be opened, and will be asked to sleep and rest in the grave. And if a person who is unable to give the answer, and certainly this person, the one who was not upon the religion, practicing religion in this life, he will not be able to give the answer. It could be, he could be a professor in Arabic language, or literate, highly qualified PhD holder of Arabic language and literature. He will not be able to answer the questions if he was not practicing the proper deen in this life. He was not following up, he was not living by Quran and Sunnah in this life. So he will not be able to give the answer. So the one who will not be able to give the answer, the grave will be squeezed, and it will be pressing him from all the sides. And there are hadith which says the ribs of the right side and the ribs of the left side will collapse with each other, and the person will start screaming, and the scorpions and snakes will be start biting him, and the window from the hellfire will be opened to, receive the heat from there. And it will be said that la daraita wa la talaita, you have not understood anything and you did not read anything, so this is the punishment for you. So that will be a minor punishment before the Qiyamah. So this is how it will happen after to the soul in the after the death.